Bilge and His Mushroom Soup. Written by Noel Mallet and John Bliss. Narrated by John Bliss. Bilge makes mushroom soup. Very, very good mushroom soup. You might think that makes him a cook, but you'd be wrong. Bilge is the chef of the goblins of Norfwood, and there's a world of difference. A cook just throws things into a pot. A chef, well, a chef creates. And what Bilge creates is magic. Not that he'd ever say that himself, of course. From his smoky little kitchen in the side of Norfwood Cave, Bilge brews up wonders. He knows every patch of the Creepy Crawly Woods worth foraging, where the earth is damp enough for tender fungus, where the tangliest herbs hide behind the thistleweed, and where the spicy rootstalks grow with just the right kick to make a stew sing. Gobba says he stirs a little Shroom-Web magic into his broth. Maybe he does. But the goblins are far too busy eating it to ask. You'll find no fancy plates in Norfwood Cove, no towers of salad or pickled snail foam, just Bilge's mushroom soup, rich, deep, warming, served with a thick slice of bark-baked loaf, and maybe a dab of root chutney if you've behaved yourself. Now, Bilge isn't the strongest, or the fastest, or the sneakiest goblin in the cave, but he is one of the oldest and the wisest. He knows what the goblins need, not just what they want. And when they come back battered, bruised, or just a bit chilly from the wind, he always has something bubbling for them. Just don't try and sneak a spoonful before it's ready. He's got a wicked backhand with that great wooden ladle he calls a shroom spoon. Bilge wears the colours of a rich greyish brown, just like his soup. And he surrounds himself with the colour of mushrooms, stews of soft cave walls, and comforting things. His best friend is Gobba, and together they've cooked up more than just soup over the years. He rarely leaves the cave, doesn't need to. The goblins bring him what he needs, and he feeds them in return. That's how it works. Bilge may not wear a crown, not even a greyish-brown one, but in Norfwood Cave, he's still royalty. That was a tale from Owtdare, where even the smallest goblin kitchen can hold the heart of a whole community. And if you're just joining us, there's a whole world to explore at Owtdare.com. You'll find maps, characters, and even links to some illustrated storybooks if you want to take the tales with you. Sleep well, traveller. We'll see you next time.